Tired of financial app overload? Let's simplify things by showing you how to seamlessly transfer money from your Safepal wallet to Cash App. First, open your Safepal app, locate the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer to Cash App. Make sure you have enough of that cryptocurrency in your wallet to cover the amount you plan to send, plus any potential transaction fees. Once you've found the right cryptocurrency, tap on it. Then, look for the option to either withdraw or send. The wording might vary slightly, but it essentially means the same thing. You're moving crypto out of Safepal. Tap that button. Now, switch over to your Cash App. On the main screen, tap on your profile icon. It's usually located in the upper right-hand corner. Scroll down until you find the section related to Bitcoin or adding cash, depending on the cryptocurrency you're transferring. We're looking for the option that allows you to deposit Bitcoin or the corresponding cryptocurrency. Tap on it. Cash App will now display your deposit address. This is a long string of letters and numbers, sometimes accompanied by a QR code. You'll need to copy this address. Tap the copy icon, which usually looks like two overlapping squares, to copy the address to your clipboard. Double-check to ensure you've copied the entire address accurately. Now, go back to your Safepal app. In the withdrawal or send screen, you'll find a field labeled recipient address or something similar. This is where you paste the Cash App address you just copied. Tap and hold in the address field and select paste to enter the address. Again, double-check that the address is correct before proceeding. A single wrong character can lead to a lost transaction. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. You can type it in manually, or tap the max button if you want to send all the cryptocurrency currently in your Safepal wallet. Be mindful of any transaction fees displayed. Before confirming, carefully review all the transaction details on the screen. Ensure the recipient address, the amount, and the fees are all correct. This is your last chance to catch any errors. Once you're absolutely sure everything is correct, tap the confirm button. Safepal will likely require you to authenticate the transaction with your fingerprint, password, or other security measures you set up. After confirming, you'll see a transaction pending message. The time it takes for the transaction to complete depends on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Finally, keep an eye on your Cash App. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the cryptocurrency will appear in your Cash App balance. You'll likely receive a notification when the deposit is complete. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from your Safepal wallet to Cash App.